Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have just a few things to get finished with when it comes to the Mustang. Let me give you a look at it now, how it sits in the car. It's actually sitting, it's resting on the floor because the gearbox is resting on the floor. We took the motor mounts out just to get the motor in before that rain came down in the last video. But today we're gonna put the tranny up. We're gonna mount that to the car first, and then we're gonna do the engine mounts, and we should be good to go. We have a drive shaft to install as well. I just want to get all the hard stuff in place, and then I'll tow the car home, get it out of the yard, and finish it up when I get home, because it's only the distributor, fuel, and a couple of wires for the distributor, the fuel pump, the alternator, just some small things. Carbureted is a pretty easy setup, so we're gonna start to finish up all the hard stuff today, all of the braces, the mounts, and then we'll move on from that. Alright guys, we done worked the whole day away. We got everything done though. The engine mounts are in and bolted up. The T5 transmission is in and bolted up. My friend right over here, Shane, he had to go and notch the, open up the holes for the brace a little bigger so that we could get the T5 mounted with that solid brace. So because we have all solid motor mounts under here, everything is bolted up. We just dropped the drive shaft off to a shop to get shortened by 1 inch. We had to shorten it so that they could get in, and then I'm gonna start doing all of the fueling, the distributor, all of the things that we need to get it running in the next video. So it's bolted in and it's up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.